Hey, what's up, YouTube? All right, today I'm going to show you how you can detect a mouse click. Um, I'm going to teach you how exactly you can detect a left mouse click and how you will be able to detect a right mouse click, and then write some code to do something when a mouse click happens. Okay, so okay. So as you can see here, I have the form open, and what we're going to do first is we're going to go into our toolbox and we are going to get a timer. So come down here to where our timer is. Take the timer and just put it right on the form here, and then it should appear down here, as you can see. Okay, and next we're going to change the properties of the timer. I come up here and I'm going to give the timer a different name. I'm going to name it T1, and it will be automatically enabled, and it will its interval will be at 5 milliseconds. So actually, you probably don't need 5 milliseconds. Let's actually do it at 100 milliseconds. 100 milliseconds is just about perfect for detecting a mouse click. So next you come down to your timer down here, and let's double click it, and let's go inside the code. Alright, so I went and I copied some code, and I will put this and paste this right in the top here, and I'll read it to you here. It says private declare function get async key state lib as in library user 32 by val v key as long as integer. Okay? And now we're going to write the code for detecting the mouse click. So it's if get async key state 1, then this is for the left, detecting the left mouse button. 1, then MSG box for message box. You clicked the left mouse button. Okay, something like that. You can see that. See, detect the left mouse button. Okay, and then we're going to copy this, and we're going to paste it. Okay, and then we're going to change this one to number 2, and then we're going to change the word left to right. Okay, so that's that. So that should be it for that. That's detecting if the mouse buttons are clicked, and it's displaying a message box if you clicked it. Now you can write other code to do something or whatever. Okay, say for instance, okay, let's do this instead. Okay, we'll also put we'll put 2 text boxes up here. Actually, we'll put 1 text box. Okay, put that right on our form here. So when we click with our mouse cursor, we will also get exactly where it clicked on the screen. Okay, so this text box is actually called text box 1, and and I'll change the name to something a little bit shorter. We'll change it to TB, okay? We'll go back in the form. Okay, and then we're gonna change this code here. So when the left mouse button gets clicked, we'll say tb.text equals cursor.position.x and x and cursor.position.y. Okay, and then all you gotta do now for this is copy this code right here. Okay, and then we're gonna paste it down here too. Okay, so that should be good now. So let's debug it. Let's test out the application. Okay, as you can see here, it worked. But it's bad because when you try to click on the damn when you try to click on the OK buttons, they pop up more message boxes. So that's pretty crazy. So I closed that out, and we're not going to do message boxes, okay, because message boxes are very dangerous when you're trying to do this. Okay, so that's it for that. As you can see, I just commented that out, the message boxes, and it will just give us the cursor's position of where it clicked, when it clicked. Okay, so come up to here, and we're going to test it out. Okay, so if I click, you know what? I'm also going to change the form here to be topmost. Okay, come up here, down here, and it will be topmost so that it doesn't hide every single time we try to click. Okay, come up here to start debugging. Okay, so if I click, clicking, I'm clicking, okay, and it's getting, so if I try to move it around, anywhere I try to go, as you can see, the text is not changing. But if I click, it will give us the cursor position where it clicked. Even on the form, it even does it. It does it off the form, and it does it on the form, okay? It's global. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting videos on more interesting subjects. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.